Hello, today I'm reading Bird and Kip. Okay. Kip was standing on his head. Haha, but laughed. You are very silly, Kip. And I'm standing on my head. Soon I'm very good at it. You're doing great, said Bird. You're very good at standing on your head. I think I'll do this all day long, said Kip. Just then a ladybird flew by. It flew all around. Then it landed on Kip's foot. Hey, Kip laughed. That tickles. Ha ha. Kip started to lose his balance. Uh-oh, he said. I'm going to fall. Boom. Are you okay? asked Bird. I'm not hurt, said Kip. But I'm not happy anymore. Why not? asked Bird. Because I fell down, said Kip. I didn't stand on my head all day long. I'm not very good at it. Silly Kip. I still want to be good at something. He got some of his acorn. Watch this, Bird, said Kip. He started to juggle the acorn. Pong, pling, pling. One by one they fell down. Ha ha, but laughed. You are so silly, Kip. I'm silly, said Kip, but I'm not good at anything. Kip got his jump rope. Watch this, Bird, he said. Kip started to jump rope. But the rope got on a branch. Help, said Kip. Kip swung around and around and around. Haha, but laughed. You are so silly, Kip. I'm silly, said Kip, but I'm not good at anything. Bird was quiet of a moment. I just thought of something, she said. Something you are very good at. What am I good at? asked Kip. Making me laugh, said Bird, looking at the newspaper. Kip was reading a newspaper. He saw an ocean aquarium. Thought Kip. The aquarium looks like fun. Maybe Bird would like to go with me. Bird climbed up the tree. Kip climbed up the tree. Hey, Bird, he called. What do you want to? But Bird was not in her nest. Where is Bird? Kip wondered. Kip climbed back down the tree. She must be around here, he said. I'll go and look for her. Meanwhile, Bird was reading a newspaper too. Thought Bird. The aquarium looks like fun. Maybe Kip would like to go with me. Bird flew back to the tree. Hey, Kip, she called. Do you want to? But Kip was not in his hole. Where is Kip? Bird wondered. Bird was looking for Kip. Kip was looking for Bird. Bird looked near the giant rocks first. Then she looked near the playground. Where is Kip? She wondered. Kip looked near the playground first. Where is Bird? He wondered. Then he looked near the giant rocks. Bird saw a mouse. Have you seen Kip? asked Bird. Yes, I have, said Mouse. I saw Kip near the giant rocks. Kip saw Squirrel. How did you see Bird? asked Kip. Yes, I have, said Squirrel. I saw a bird near the playground. Kip went back to the playground. He didn't see Bird, but went back to the giant rocks. She didn't see Kip. Oh well, said Kip. I'll go to the aquarium by myself. Oh well, said Bird. I'm going to the aquarium by myself. Look at all these fish. Bird flew around to the aquarium. Look at all these fish, she said. I wish Kip was here. Kip looked around the aquarium. Look at all these fish. I wish Bird was here. Bird saw an octopus. He told the huge stingray. She fed some sea turtles. Kip spotted the shark. It looked scary and mean, and it had lots of sharp teeth. Ah, cried Kip. Kip ran away from a shark. He ran fast as he could. Quack! Quack! Said Bird. Sorry about that, said Kip. Then Bird and Kip looked at each other. You're here, they both said. The two friends laughed. I'm glad you're here, Bird, said Kip. The aquarium will be more fun with you. I'm glad you're here, Kip, said Bird. Everything is more fun with you. Upset now, Kip.
Kip started to lose his balance.
Kip started to lose his balance.
Just then, a ladybug flew by.
Just then, a ladybird flew by.
Kip was standing on his head.
Kip was standing on his head.
Then the ladybug landed on Kip's foot.
Then the ladybird landed on Kip's foot.
The ladybug walked across his toes.
The ladybug walked across his toes.
There!
Good! Silly Kip.
Kip started to juggle the acorns.
Kip started to juggle his acorn.
Kip started to jump rope.
Kip started to jump rope.
The rope got stuck on a branch.
The rope got stuck on a branch.
Kip got some of his acorns.
Kip got some of his acorn.
Kip swung around and around and around.
Kip swung around and around and around.
Excellent!
Look at the newspaper. La 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 la. Do, da, 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 do.
Kip was reading a newspaper.
Kip was reading a newspaper.
Kip climbed back down the tree.
Kip climbed back down the tree.
Kip climbed up the tree.
Kip climbed up the tree.
Meanwhile, Bird was reading a newspaper too.
Meanwhile, Bird was reading a paper too.
Bird flew back to the tree.
Bird flew back to the tree.
Excellent!
Looking for Bird, looking for Kip.
Kip went back to the playground.
Kip went back to the playground.
Bird saw a mouse.
Bird saw a mouse.
Bird looked near the giant rock first.
Bird looked near the giant rocks first.
Kip saw a squirrel.
Kip saw a squirrel.
Then Bird looked near the playground.
Then Bird looked near the playground.
Excellent!
Look at fish. Look at the fish.
Kip ran away from the shark.
Kip ran away from a shark.
Bird fed some sea turtles.
Bird fed some sea turtle.
Bird and Kip looked at each other.
Bert and Kip looked at each other.
Kip spotted a shark.
Kip spotted a shark.
Kip walked around the aquarium.
Kip walked around the aquarium.
Excellent!
Okay, did you like my video? You may make one like, one subscribe. Goodbye. 100 subscribe and